How is it going, ladies and gents, and all the crypto enthusiasts out there? Welcome back to the Get Rich Slow channel. I'm your host Balint, and I'm excited to have you here today. If you are watching this video, chances are you've got some hard-earned money saved up and you are curious about the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. Well, you are at the right place. You probably heard about those legendary success stories where early investors turned a few dollars into fortunes. And let's be honest, who wouldn't want that kind of money? Of course, for every success story there is also a failure. Let's take, for example, 2010, when a guy bought 2 Supreme pizzas and paid with 10,000 bitcoins. In today's money, that would mean 260 million US dollars. Ouch! Expensive pizzas. Now, I know that the term crypto might bring up images of complex equations, exclusive digital assets, especially if you are new to the game. And hey, that's completely normal. We've all been there, but fear not, because today we are diving into the basics. Trust me, if I could go back 6 years and watch this video back then, I would probably be a billionaire by now. Get ready to unlock the mysteries of Cryptoland. Join me on this journey that's all about potential, learning, and securing your financial future. Let's dive in. First things first, why should you even consider stepping into the crypto arena? Well, about 99% of the people who invest in anything, whether it's stocks, real estate, or crypto, they do it for the same reason, to make money. The classic buy low and sell high strategy is the name of the game. Now imagine this, just like with stocks or real estate, crypto can also be a powerful tool to combat the effect of inflation. Plus, it comes with a fun twist. It's like hopping onto a roller coaster of high risk, high reward. And let me tell you, the ride can get pretty wild. I live in Hungary, Europe, and the inflation in my country is around 20% recently. Who wants to take that? Let's address the big question. How much money do you need to start investing in crypto? Well, the good news is you don't need millions. You can kick things off by even $10 or $100. The point here is to start learning and start familiarizing yourself with the crypto space. But remember, the amount you invest should also match your comfort level with risk. Don't go all in and bet the kitchen sink on crypto. Only invest what you can afford to lose, and don't lose sleep. Now onto the thrilling task of which cryptocurrency asset you should buy. Personally, I've got a little trick up in my sleeve. I split my investments into 2 heavyweight champions. I got 50% of my portfolio in Ethereum and the other 50% in Bitcoin. These two are like the backbone of the market. I think of them as the crypto equivalent of the S&P 500. But hey, if you are feeling a bit adventurous, there is a whole world of altcoins out there. These are riskier but can come with a bigger reward, like the meme sensation Dogecoin, thanks to our pal Elon Musk. Just to name some of the thousands of altcoins out there: XRP, with a mission to revolutionize digital cross-border payments, or Solana, the crypto aiming to speed up the blockchain, or Cardano, trying to building a sustainable future. Now when it comes to timing your investments, there is a catch. The hype train can be deceiving. I remember for the 2017 bull run, I got a bit carried away myself, got a little bit greedy, and thought the market was gonna go even higher. But in fact, the market crashed, and I was not able to realize most of my gains. Hey, but whatever, let's go back to timing. So you've got a choice: dollar cost averaging, also known as DCA, where you invest at regular intervals, or the one sum strategy, where you go all in at once. Oh, and there is a sneaky third option. If the market's going down, instead of panicking and selling everything, buy the fear and invest more. This will lower your average buying price. Alright, let's get down to practical stuff, buying crypto. First of all, you need to register on a cryptocurrency exchange. Bitstamp or Coinbase are solid options for you. I use them and I can recommend them safely. Just like when opening a bank account, you will need to go through KYC and upload your documents. After that, fund your account with a bank transfer or even using your credit card. If you are tech savvy like me, you can easily send money from Revolut, TransferWise or something like that. Now the exciting part, buying the crypto. It's pretty similar to buying stocks. Choose your coin, enter the amount and click the buy button. And congratulations, now you are officially a cryptocurrency owner. To store your precious crypto securely, consider buying a hardware wallet like a Ledger Nano or Trezor wallet. By leaving your crypto on the exchange, you can potentially be involved in breaches and hacks. These attacks happen time to time. Remember, not your keys, not your crypto, a golden rule to live by. Before we wrap things up, here is a lesson from my own adventure. Take profits when the time is right. During that 2017 bull run, I got caught up in the excitement and didn't sell enough. It's like leaving the best party of your life too early or too late. So my fellow explorers, remember, the crypto world is like a roller coaster. It's exciting, risky, it might just be your ticket to the financial success. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss out the next financial episode. Until then, stay curious and stay invested.